Installing new windows in your Fort Lauderdale home can transform its appearance, boost energy efficiency, and increase overall comfort. However, many homeowners make costly mistakes during the installation process that can lead to drafts, leaks, and premature wear. Understanding these common errors, and how to avoid them, can ensure your window installation project runs smoothly and delivers lasting results. Choosing the wrong window type for Fort Lauderdale's climate. Fort Lauderdale's tropical climate brings heat, humidity, and heavy rain. One of the most common mistakes homeowners make is selecting windows that aren't designed for this environment. Regular windows that work well in milder climates may fail to resist moisture or provide adequate insulation in South Florida's conditions. When choosing windows, look for impact-resistant glass, UV protection, and energy-efficient frames that can withstand coastal weather. Materials like vinyl and fiberglass are excellent choices because they resist warping, corrosion, and mold. Skipping this consideration can lead to water damage, fogging between panes, and higher cooling costs. Ignoring proper measurements. Precision is critical in window installation. Even a slight miscalculation can result in air leaks, improper sealing, or structural gaps. Some homeowners assume all windows are standard size, only to discover that each opening can vary slightly. To prevent this, always measure both the width and height at multiple points and record the smallest dimensions. Professionals also account for structural irregularities and frame conditions before ordering windows. An incorrect fit can lead to performance issues and costly rework later. Skipping professional installation. DIY installation might seem like a money-saving option, but it often ends up costing more in repairs and inefficiencies. Installing windows requires specialized tools, experience with local building codes, and a deep understanding of how to create a proper weatherproof seal. In Fort Lauderdale, professional installers also ensure compliance with hurricane impact standards, a critical factor in protecting your home during storms. Certified installers use high-quality sealants, correct flashing techniques, and verify that the window operates properly after installation. Skipping this step can void warranties and put your home at risk. Neglecting proper sealing and insulation. A beautiful window won't perform well if it isn't sealed correctly. In South Florida's humid climate, poor sealing can cause condensation, air infiltration, and even mold growth around the frame. Installers should use weather-resistant flashing tapes and foam insulation to create an airtight barrier between the window and wall. It's also important to check that caulking is smooth, continuous, and compatible with your window material. Homeowners who overlook sealing details often face higher energy bills and water intrusion issues within months of installation. Forgetting about permits and local codes. Fort Lauderdale has specific building regulations, especially for hurricane-prone zones. Homeowners sometimes skip the permitting process, which can lead to fines or the need to redo the installation. Always confirm that your contractor secures the appropriate building permits and installs windows rated for high-velocity hurricane zones, HVHZ. This ensures not only compliance but also the safety and resale value of your property. Overlooking maintenance after installation. Even high-quality windows require maintenance to perform well over time. Failing to clean tracks, inspect seals, or lubricate moving parts can shorten their lifespan. After installation, establish a regular maintenance routine, wipe down frames, check for cracks in caulking, and test locks and hinges. In Fort Lauderdale's salty air, a little upkeep prevents corrosion and keeps windows looking new for years. Choosing price over quality. Budget constraints are understandable, but choosing the cheapest materials or unqualified contractors can lead to future expenses. Low-cost windows often lack energy efficiency, and poorly installed products may fail to protect against storms. Invest in Energy Star-rated windows and experienced local professionals. The upfront cost pays off in durability, lower utility bills, and improved comfort. Final thoughts. Window installation in Fort Lauderdale is more than a cosmetic upgrade. It's an investment in your home's comfort, efficiency, and safety. By avoiding these common mistakes, such as ignoring local codes, skipping professional help, or choosing poor quality materials, you can ensure your project delivers long-term value. Take the time to plan carefully, hire certified experts, and select windows built for Florida's climate. The result will be beautiful, durable, and energy-efficient windows that stand strong against the elements.